Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to understand the practice set 2.2 first question. So first question says in a figure 2.18 angle y is equals to of 108 degree. So this angle is equals to 108 degree and angle x, this one is again equals to 71 degree. So we have both the angles measure. So we have to prove that are the lines M and L N are parallel. If yes, then justify your answer. So we have to prove that the sum of angle x and y is equals to 180 degree. अगर 180 डिग्री है that means अगर सप्लीमेंट्री है then एंगल लाइन n और m कैसे होंगी, पैरेलल होगी. एंड ऐसा कब होता है, जब हमारा जो ये इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट जो एंगल है ना, वो कैसे होंगे, इंटीरियर एंगल होंगे, वो कैसे होने चाहिए, इंटीरियर एंगल ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. ओके, अगर ये सप्लीमेंट्री है देन ये जो लाइन n और m है ये कैसे होंगी, पैरेलल होगी. ओके, सो वे टू चेक, so we have to write solution. So what will be solution? So before solution we have to write given part. So what is given? It is y, the angle y is equals to 108 degree, angle x equals to 71 degree. Okay, so what we have to prove, line m and n are parallel. Okay, so solution. So in solution we can write as by alternate or by the pair of alternate interior angle, by the pair of alternate interior angle are supplementary. Then okay, supplementary, therefore angle x plus angle y equals to आना चाहिए 180 डिग्री. Since angle x equals to 108 degree and angle y equals to 71 degree, therefore क्या हो जाएगा, angle x plus angle y equals to, what is angle x, it is 108 degree, plus what is angle y, it is 71 degree. So we have to add. So angle x plus angle y equals to 8 plus 1 is 9, 0 plus 7 is 7 and 1. So 1, so the answer is 179, which is not, that is x, angle x plus angle y is not equals to 90 डिग्री. तो हमारा जो आंसर है वो यहीं पे प्रूव हो गया. ओके, therefore we have to write the result. So what will be the result? The sum of alternate angle on same side of transversal are complementary. Okay, so this is the way you have to solve the problems where you have to prove that angle x plus angle y equals to 180, but it is one less. That's why angle x and angle y, they are not same, as well as angle line n and m are not parallel. अगर वो parallel होते तो angle x plus angle y इन दोनों का सम कितना आना चाहिए था, 180 डिग्री आना चाहिए था. ओके बट आया बहुत कम। आना चाहिए बट आया उससे कम। दैट्स वाई दिस टू एंगल्स दैट x एंड y आर नॉट सेम, हेंस सो क्या हो जाएगा, line M and line M and M are not parallel. Okay, so this is the way we have to prove our questions. So now we are going to solve the second problem. The second problem says if angle A is congruent to angle B, then prove that line L is parallel to line M. So here we have two lines and we have to prove them parallel, and line N is intersection or transversal line for both the lines. So and it is given that A is equals to B. Angle A is congruent to angle B, it is given. So now we have to prove that line L and M are parallel. Okay, therefore angle A is congruent to angle B by given, and which are alternate exterior angle. Angle A is equals to angle B is given, and which are alternate angle, or we can say alternate exterior angle of the line L and M. Okay, so we have to prove that these two lines are parallel. So this condition, if the alternate exterior angles are congruent, they are congruent, that means all other pair of angles are also congruent. Then all other pair of angles are congruent. Therefore line L is parallel to line M, और ये हमको प्रूफ करना था. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स देखा आपने कितने इजीली हमने क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर लिया है. दैट वी हैव टू चेक वेदर दिस फॉलोज सर्टेन रूल्स ऑफ अल्टरनेट एंगल, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल और opposite angle. Okay, so here we have completed our second question also. Now we will solve the third question. So third question is again really very easy one. So here given that angle A and angle B are congruent, angle A and angle B are congruent. Okay, so angle B and angle A are corresponding angles. Okay, therefore angle X plus angle Y, they prove that line L is parallel to N. ओके, सो इसको कैसा सॉल्व करना है वो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, इसको आपको ही सॉल्व करना है और ये आपके लिए होमवर्क है. सो सी यहाँ पर जो रिलेशन दिया हुआ है एंगल बी एंड एंगल ए का, ये कैसा है, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल की टेस्ट है. ओके, एंड एक्स एंड जेड आर नथिंग बट द alternate angles. So in alternate angle, angle x and angle y are also similar, and they form alternate angle where x is equals to y. इनका जो मेजर है कितना हो जाएगा, x equals to y हो जाएगा. Therefore अब क्या हो जाएगा, ये वाली लाइन इसके प्रूफ होगी बिकॉज ये कैसे हैं, कॉन्ग्रुएंट है ना, सप्लीमेंट्री है. जहां पर हमको क्या करना है, लाइन L को हमको M के साथ प्रूव करना है वेदर दे आर इक्वल और नॉट. सो यहाँ पर एंगल A और एंगल B अगर कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, देन रिमेनिंग पेयर ऑफ एंगल विल ऑल्सो कॉन्ग्रुएंट. and it is shown by the given figure here. Now if we will prove line L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N, so by equation first and 2, that is L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N, so we can write that angle L is parallel to angle N, और ये हमको प्रूव करना था. ओके, सो मैंने आपको आइडिया दे दूँ हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ओके, सो अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इट इज होमवर्क फॉर यू. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.